Welcome to Learn English Daily.
At the bus stop conversation.
Hi, excuse me. Do you know what time the bus will arrive?
Hello. I think the bus comes at 8:30.
Oh, thank you. I'm new here, so I don't know the timings.
That's okay. Are you going to the city?
Yes, I have an interview there.
Wow, good luck. What kind of interview?
It's for an office assistant job.
That sounds nice. Are you feeling nervous?
A little bit, but I prepared well.
That's great. Preparation gives confidence.
Yes, you're right. Do you travel by this bus every day?
Yes, I take it to go to my college.
Oh, what are you studying?
I'm studying computer science.
Interesting. Do you like it?
Yes, very much. I want to become a software engineer.
That's good goal.
Thank you. What about you? What's your dream?
My dream is to get a good job and support my family.
That's a wonderful thought. Your family will be proud.
I hope so. Oh, look, the bus is coming.
Yes. Finally, we waited for a long time.
True. Do you want to sit together on the bus?
Sure, why not? We can continue our talk.
Great. Let's get on.